This is our street. It's like Armageddon. Look at that. Their entire garden was destroyed. I don't think I can go that way.
No.
You can't go that way either. Right? Can we go around that tree?
Let's see.
Yep, we can go around that tree. Look at that street.
And don't forget the guy on Bonnie had 2 of his cars.
Oh, poor guy on Bonnie he runs like a construction company. He had trees demolish his construction trucks. It's crazy. I mean, I've never seen anything like this. I lived in the Midwest. We had tornadoes, and this is actually almost as bad. You don't have the roofs ripping off, but I've never seen this many trees down. Well, if you're a tree trimmer or a landscaper, you'll probably have a good month.
And this is our street.
Insane. And we'll go for a quick turn here, which is, I think, the biggest tree I've seen so far.
Yeah.
I mean, this is probably at least a 50-year-old tree. You'll be able to see by the... Enjoy. And you can't go that way either. Oh, their poor yard got demolished too. He just put up all the Christmas lights too.
All
That
his lights.
sucks. He just spent all weekend doing his Christmas lights. And I think half of them blew away.
Okay.
And welcome to our destroyed home.